and a little bit more. They don't know how you like it.
Before we get started with this vlog, I want to show you all the things I did in Minneapolis at night. During the day, it was just a great vibe and time. So check out what happened and what I do at night when I travel to different cities. You know it goes down. It's QueenSit. Let's go. I always try to get a hotel with a nice swimming pool because I love to get in the pool and relax after a long road trip. In Minneapolis, I went to St. Paul Harley-Davidson to have a speaking engagement with a lot of riders, and it was a super dope opportunity with Smith and Waker. Shout out to y'all for the invite. We're sightseeing Minneapolis. We're here. Beautiful city. Later that night, I hooked up with my friend April. Shout out to her. She came through wearing a QueenSit shirt. Grab yours on my website, link below. And we went out and had an amazing time. So sit back, enjoy some of these clips. When I go to cities, I love to pull up with my followers and kick it and have a great time because it's always a vibe. Let's go.
Let me see the shirt, yo. Let me see the shirt, yo. Hey. Yo, look at the autograph.
I'm with April. Let's get it.
Minnesota is going down.
Okay, hey, we finna end the night. We at the Nicolay Diner. We just came from the club. Shout out to April showing me a good time. Shout out to the Harley Davidson shirt on the back. Quit playing with her. And we finna grab some food, baby. Let's go. Alright, this is a good way to end the vlog. We got some good breakfast. Super dope diner. I'm excited. It's QueenSit.
In South Dakota, the road is only big enough for a bike and a car.
That's what that was.
That was it. Two cars could get past each other on there. The bikes are right on the edge, and there's no guardrail. Hated it. I got to the top, and Eric's like, "You all right?" And I'm like, "I can't do it. No more. I'm done."
You should have pulled your bike right up there. For the picture.
You gotta get it back.
That'll be a good picture.
Hey y'all, we made it to the top of the hill.
Oh yeah, we did.
Oops.
Sorry.
Photo bomb.
Good, thank you.
Would you mind taking a picture of all this with our bike? You bet. Hey guys, come here.
Yay.
Sweet.
Hey yo, such a good ride today. So much fun. Dope people.
I got a good spot for you that I want you to pull up to. Yeah. All right.
Make sure you check out part 1 and part 2 of this video. We had a long and adventurous road trip, and it was so much fun riding in the group together. This is a map of the trails that we took, or the roads, and it's pretty dope to see, you know, your progress and where you came from. So check out the app. Christian Motorcycle Association. What's up, y'all? It's QueenSit. I'm out here and is this, where am I?
Red Wing.
Red Wing, yeah. Wisconsin? Minnesota. And I'm out here with the Christian Motorcycle Association. They're awesome. Everyone's having a good time. Are you all having a good time?
Oh, absolutely.
Woo! Yeah. So all the bikes are out here. Everyone's meeting everyone. So it's a great time. So yeah, enjoy the views from here on out. It's QueenSit. Let's go. What's up? It's QueenSit, and I'm here with
Marvin Adams.
All right. And where are you from?
Fredericksburg, Virginia.
And you say you're on a long trip.
Long trip, yep.
How many miles? What's going on?
I started out in Virginia, went to Columbus, Ohio, then went up to Apple Valley, Minnesota, where I'm staying with some friends and riding around with them today.
Yeah.
Then I'll head off to Bismarck,
Okay.
and then over to Butte, Montana, and then Whidbey Island.
Nice.
And then I take it down the West Coast to San Francisco,
Sheesh.
Tracy, Coastal Highway, Route 1 out in California, San Diego, then over to Phoenix, Arizona, then up to Denver, Colorado, to Pikes Peak,
Dang.
and then down to Clovis, New Mexico, then San Antonio, Texas, Houston, Texas, then up to Dallas, up to Oklahoma City, then over to Arkansas, and then back to Virginia.
Jeez, how many days are you planning a week? So what's happening?
I left on the 25th of June,
Okay.
and I'll be back the 25th of August in
Nice.
Fredericksburg.
And what you rolling on? A
rolling
Can?
on Can-Am
Damn.
F3.
Y'all know I love the Can-Ams. How do you like this bike?
Oh, it's comfortable.
Yeah.
Easy. Yeah, you just,
It's awesome.
this was a bug run today. That's what all the targets were.
Oh.
You ride, then they come back and they measure who's got the closest bug to the center of the targets.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
I was literally going to ask that. I like that. That's pretty cool. Dang, is it pretty fast? Powerful?
It's fast. It's a 1330.
Yeah.
1330. I cruise it at about 85.
Yeah.
No problem, and still got power. So
Is it comfortable?
sit on it. It's very
Let me
comfortable.
check it out. Let me check it out. Oh, yeah. That's pretty comfortable. And you just chill.
Yep, 6-speed. So you still shift. Yep.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. We acting different out here. Quit playing. Hold on. Nah, I'm just borrowing the knees. So we headed back to the dealership to end our amazing road trip or group ride. And I noticed some rain starts to come. I'm like, okay, here we go again. You know, the rain loves to follow me. But we just riding it through and enjoying some beautiful views. Woo, that was good.
Very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Now he's at home by himself because his brother's at work.
So nice meeting you.
Okay, so before you leave, I want to do your because. And why am I about to cry?
Because we're friends.
You're a sapsucker. We
Because
cry
we're
about everything.
friends now.
Dang, I'm sad that you're leaving.
Me too. Okay, what's up, y'all? I did not get an entrance video, but I will go back and show you my hotel. But right now I'm at the Iron Horse Hotel, which is right next to the Harley Davidson Museum. And I think this is gonna be a pretty dope hotel. Let's see. Here's my room. All right. Boom. Oh, I like it. Oh yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh yeah, I like this. What was that? It's pretty dope. All right, gotta go get my stuff. See the view. Oh, that's pretty cute. All right, let's do this.
Proceed to the route.
Hey.
Proceed to the route.
Oh, I like this. Shower. It's fire. Okay. Let's be. Hey, in my hotel, they got the new Pan America. Woo! That's fire. Love this hotel. Let's see what this talking about. I just can't stop eating pizza. That's crazy. What's up, y'all? It's QueenSit. I'm in Milwaukee with Katie and Gray. Just met them. We out here kicking it. It's going down, baby. Let's go. Milwaukee.